come and take you away. We better stop here.
The following message is transmitted of Homeland Security and Emergency Preparedness. This is a fire warning for the Hudson community between Winnfield and Sikes in Central Winn Parish. A large wildfire has ignited near and east of Highway 34 near Booger Hollow Road and is spreading east-northeast towards the town of Sikes. Residents of Brewer Road, J. White Road, J. Creel Road, Leech Road, Hurricane Grove Road, Rabbit Road, H. Bustin Road, Roy James Road, J.D. Boyett Road, East Parker Road, Cleo Adams Road, Williams Road, Slaughter Road, L. Bustin Road, Jim Gates Road, Hammonds Road, and Burnett Road are under a mandatory evacuation order.